Hello, hello. So I am so excited because my Fruits and Roots order just came in yesterday. I have not opened it yet. I've been waiting to record so I can show you all how it's packed and what is inside this seasonal box, this seasonal sample box. So this is the small. It's packaged really well. I got the 2-day shipping via FedEx. So yeah, I'm gonna open it now and take a closer look at these goodies. So stay tuned. All right, let's open this box. It's packaged really well. Oh no! Okay, so I'm opening this packaging now and I already see one fruit that is moldy and damaged. This is actually really disappointing. Shoot, I hope this does not happen to anything else in here. And I'm not even sure what this is. Shoot, I'm so disappointed. So yeah, womp womp. Here's the first thing. I will find the list and identify this later. Okay, so whatever these are, there's a ton of them in here. There's a little Fruits and Roots sticker. Oh my god, I'm so excited! This is the Soursop. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Here's a dragon fruit. Had one of these before. I was hoping for a yellow one. A lot more of these. Shoot, there's like 8. Star fruit. Another dragon fruit. A bunch of longan, and a lot of them, some of them are crushed. Wow. Rambutan. We're working our way to the end of the box. I think these are little burro bananas. And this looks like turmeric, fresh turmeric, which is awesome. So, this is everything that was packed in the box. I'm gonna clean this up. I'm gonna try the Soursop now, just because I'm so curious. And then I think this is Mame. I thought there'd be a list in here kind of helping to identify some of this stuff. Let me try to find that, and I'm gonna dig into the Soursop and this since it's already kind of going bad and got crushed a little bit in the shipping. So we've got Mame, the Soursop, the Ganep, 2 dragon fruit, a bunch of longan, turmeric, these little baby bananas, Rambutan, and star fruit. So this is the entire small seasonal box that I ordered. So we're gonna dig into these 2 right now. I'll do a little bit of a fruit mukbang, just talking through them, and then I'll come back another day and do a little mukbang with the rest of the fruit. All right, so to start, I'm gonna dig into the fruit that I'm most excited to try. It was the main reason I got this box. It was to try the Soursop. So this feels very ripe right now. Like I know very little about all these fruits, but this feels very ripe. I read the ripening guide on the website and I believe that I can dig into this now when it's like leathery and brown like this. And on their Instagram account, they always pull apart these fruits with their fingers in the most cool way. So I really want to try that now. So I'm gonna just press into this. You can see. Can you see the inside of that? Wow, that broke apart so easily. This is kind of ASMR as well. Can you hear? Wow, this looks really, really interesting. I'm so excited to try this. I've had Soursop Juice before, but never have I eaten the fruit. so I'm gonna try it now. And you just eat the white flesh and spit out the black seeds. Mmm. Wow, it tastes like candy. This is a seed. I can't even identify this. It's very sweet and creamy. The texture of this is very creamy. It's really good. I wonder if I think you're supposed to take this core part out. This tastes almost coconutty. It's like, it tastes kind of pineapple-y, kind of like an apple. Maybe a little mango. I don't know, I've never tasted anything like this. Like, there's no flavor that compares, in my opinion. A little bit of papaya. Yeah, I could see how this would be really good in a smoothie. This is really good. And now I will try the Mame Fruit, since it kind of burst open during the transit. So I'll do that one next. All right, so now we're gonna try this Mame. I think it also is called Mame Sapote. So yeah, it kind of burst open and it started molding a little bit, but I'm not gonna throw this away, of course, because this box is hella expensive. So I'm just gonna open this and then eat around that area. Woo, look at that huge pit. Can you see that? Wow. It is the brightest orange color, almost like a papaya. This also looks extremely creamy. Like a really interesting consistency and texture. So let's give it a try. Yeah. The texture of this is definitely giving me papaya. It's giving me papaya. And sweet potato too. I don't know if it's tricking me to thinking it tastes like sweet potato because of the color, the texture. But this definitely tastes like a papaya to me. That's probably the closest comparison. It's very sweet as well, just like the soursop. I'm just thinking about this and what else it reminds me of. The texture of it is so soft, like it just kind of breaks apart. Wow. So clearly the fruit I've tried so far has all been perfectly ripe upon arrival, and I ordered the 2-day shipping. So yeah, you definitely want to consume this pretty soon after it arrives. Okay, so this website claims that it tastes like pumpkin, and that kind of is accurate. It does kind of have like a pumpkin and a papaya. If a pumpkin and a papaya had a baby. And it's really creamy, and it looks like a sweet potato. This is really good. I would put this in a smoothie. So that's the Mame. And I mean, while we're here trying all this, I was just gonna try the Soursop and Mame. But I'll also try a Longan, a Spanish lime, and a Rambutan because I've never had those before. So let's do those. I'm gonna save this, put this in the both the Soursop and Mame in the fridge, and probably just snack on those and put them in smoothies the next few days. All right, so this little brown round fruit is a Longan, and the box came with probably 15 of these on in a bunch together on a stem. So you just kind of peel the outer brown layer from around this. Oh, this one's bad. Oh no. Yeah, this one's not good. Let me try another one. This one still looks to be firm. Some of these just got crushed, I think, in the box. And I'm actually gonna use a little bit a knife to break through that, just to get my finger in it. I don't know the best way of removing this, but this is what it looks like. Oh! Okay, I just slipped through. This is what it looks like. It's just round, transparent. It looks like lychee. The pit. It tastes like lychee. Yeah, it tastes exactly like that. I'm gonna eat another one. Very similar to lychee. It's good. It's good. Now I'll also try the Rambutan. It looks like this. It's red with all these prickly pieces. And I'm gonna break into, well, I think I may need to cut into this as well. Oh! And peel it back. Wow. Wow, this looks amazing. Can you guys see? Another very round fruit, soft texture. Looks like a massive grape. It looks like a lychee. So I'm just gonna remove all of the exterior, and you're left with the round thing. So here we go. Oh, I actually like this better than the long end. Yeah, this tastes a lot like lychee. So I'm gonna eat this and then I'm gonna look up some fast facts on this. Okay, so the Rambutan is a great source of vitamin C, calcium, niacin, iron, protein, and fiber. And longan is an excellent source of potassium and vitamin C and very low in sodium. So good to know.
Hey guys, so my camera battery died and I forgot to film an outro for this, giving you my final thoughts on Fruits and Roots. And I have to say I really enjoyed trying everything in the box, all the new fruits. A lot of what was packaged and sent to me, I would say half of that I've already tried before, like star fruit or dragon fruit, turmeric and bananas. So that wasn't new, but I was really excited for the soursop, the mame, the rambutan, longan, and I think it's a really fun experience. Would I pay this amount of money again for exotic fruits? I would have to say no. I probably wouldn't reorder at least a box like this, where you can't really customize or have any control over what you're receiving. Yeah, it's super delicious, but I was also disappointed with the packaging and the fact that some of the fruits were damaged before I could even try them. That was really disappointing. I was really looking forward to like fresh fruits, and it was already really ripe, and I paid extra for FedEx 2-day shipping. So yeah, I think I'd just prefer to find fruits on their own when I'm in more tropical locales or regions, just sampling the fruits then. But overall, like, it's a great business, great products. Of course, it's fresh fruit, which is amazing and delicious. And I love that the owner is trying to educate people on the health benefits of these amazing exotic fruits. So yeah, those are my thoughts. If you ordered from Fruits and Roots, please let me know in the comments below if you tried any of these fruits. I know I misidentified the round green fruits. That is not a Spanish lime, I don't think. It's not a guinep. But if you know what that is, please let me know, because it's been at least 2 months and I still haven't a clue as to what that is. So thanks so much for watching. If you've enjoyed videos like this, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel so you get more of these videos from me, and I will see you all next time.